This is a project that we did at Lagoon City. It's funded by Environment Canada. This is the shed we built for them. Inside is our compressor that runs the air through all your diffusers. Let that run, all the lines run to this manifold. It runs air to each single diffuser. Other diffusers that run all up the channel, all the way up. And then we add our treatments down there and it gets rid of all the rotting materials at the bottom. So the diffuser's running through there. On this side as well. Okay, go ahead. Poking the gas pipe down in the muck. Our bottom. Yep. See what we got on the bottom there? Show me. Bring it right up. Pack full of blue clay. This is clay. See that? We have recordings of 3 feet of soft muck, and we got it down to hard clay bottom. We do some more samples up here. This used to be, got readings of 5 feet here. I'll show you the readings in the other channel. So this is about 5 feet. The water's down about a foot.